is where I'm gonna usually, well, I'm gonna usually, you know, do videos and stuff, and you know, in this channel, I'm gonna talk about how to like maybe make your hair curly, how to make a French braid, how to now, you know, how to and stuff, you know. So just woke up. It's 9:15 right now. So yeah. But let me give you a little tour. Okay. So what we have here, my bed, I know it's a little sloppy. Yeah. Sorry. But, you know, deal is a deal. And this is where you come from to go to my room. That's my chair. And this is where all my stuffed animals are. And there's one right there. And me. So, and then, as you can hear, here's the TV. So I'm sorry the audio is really bad right now. Really bad right now. But, oh, one more thing. But, you know, I'm using my computer to videotape this in my computer. But I might get a video camera soon, I promise. And this is my desk. As you see, I have my computer. That's why there's no computer here. See? So, you may have heard about my other channel, Gabrielle Longo. This Gabrielle Longo, it has like my profile is My Melody Red, like with the red hood. And the other one is My Melody Pink, the one with the pink hood. So don't get that messed up. So that's because I power washed. It was going really bad. So yeah. Sorry, the audio's really bad, as I said before. But welcome to Gabrielle Longo, and hope you guys enjoy. Bye, and peace out. Wait, it's only 3 minutes? This can't be. Okay, 4 minutes, so we've got a little bit of time. Now, let me tell you something. My name is Gabrielle Longo, and I'm in a big band, My Melody, and I have a video channel, and I have 3 sisters, Chella, Sabrina, and Samantha, and I have a little puppy, and of course I have a mom and dad, so yeah. Got 50, 51, 52, so we're running a little bit behind, but I could tell you a little bit. Well, my channel will be about how-tos and maybe some gaming. I'm not sure. I don't know how to do the little connecting things stuff. So yeah, but that's all it about Gabrielle Longo. Welcome to my crib, right here and right here. So I'll see you all later. Goodbye. La, la, la.